Thank you for joining us for week 3 of our November Mystery Box Make-Along. This is the last week of a new pattern, and we're going to be doing this little bit of lace that you see up here. So as you can see, this lace pattern pulls in elements of the rest of the pattern. So you see the elements of the lace and elements of the lattice. And what we're going to do is we're just going to rotate working what would be a lattice type stitch and a lace type stitch. So row 1, we're going to start with a lace type stitch. Now I'm starting a little bit into the pattern just so you can see how it works up. Begin with your knit 3, and now you're going to SSK. That's slip, slip, and knit together. Now I like to knit by putting my left needle under and knitting through. Then you're going to yarn over and do another SSK. You're going to SSK 4 times or a slip, slip, knit. Yarn over, and let's do another SSK. Yarn over, and this is our last SSK. Next, we are going to yarn over and knit 8 times. So knit 8. This completes the repeat in this row. So we're going to continue with the next repeat, which starts with your SSK, yarn over 4 times, then knitting 8. We are beginning and ending with that SSK for the first portion. The second portion we're going to begin and end with our garter stitch. So here we've finished the row, we've turned our work. We begin our row with a knit 3, and then we're going to purl 8. So we've purled 8, and then we'll knit 8. Rows 3 through 6 are just a repeat of 1 and 2, and you're going to just do 1 and 2 twice. For row 7, we are going to flip our lace pattern and our garter stitch pattern, so we're going to start with a knit 11. So we've knit 11, And then we go into the SSK yarn over. So finishing our SSK, yarning over, and moving on to our next SSK. Finishing this row with a knit 3. So all we've done is we've moved our lace from where the garter stitch was to where the new lace is going to be. So we work back and forth. And your even rows should be about the same. You're just going to flip them as well. We really like this open lace pattern. We like how it brings elements of the 2 other patterns into the cowl. Let us know what you think. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media profiles. And happy crafting!